Okay, so this is my video log of my BMX, or what I call EMX Electric Bike conversion kit. I just ordered this from AliExpress, did a little research. I can't remember what company I bought it from, but maybe I'll put it in the description if I figure out how to do that. So here I am opening it. Waited a week or so for this. Been pretty excited. Got the bike all pretty much prepped up. I stretched the back forks to 140 millimeters to fit the rear kit, just because I wanted my weight in the back. Pretty much playing it by ear at this point. Been watching a lot of how-to videos. Anyway, here we go. This is it. Pretty well packed. I was expecting it to be pretty beat up. I live in Canada and came from China, but it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I think that's the bag for the controller. This looks like maybe the controller, possibly. This is the rim, 20-inch rim. I asked for a 2. Alright, so here we have it. We have a 1500 watt, 48 volt rear hub motor, 20-inch. Controller, grips, speedometer. This is the pedal assist sensor, thumb throttle right here, brakes, and controller bag. So that's pretty much it. So next step is to throw her on, and battery is on its way. So we'll see when I get that.